You know, you got to do your fingers and you like this. Hey everyone, this is just going to be a real quickie. Marty and I had yoga this morning. You can see. So we got very zen this morning.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, very zen.
Okay.
So anyways, we decided we would do a little special something for everybody. We were so relaxed and calm. We thought we will do something fun. So what we decided to do was a very impromptu online sale. So starting Friday, which would be Friday the 13th, which normally everybody has a very, very woo connotation, we are going to do a 20% off sale on all of our kits. Kits only, kits that are on the kits page, not block of the months, but kits.
Right.
So
not notions.
Yeah, not notions. It's going to be 20% off on all kits. So peruse through them, see if there's anything fun you would like, and if so, you can just go online starting Friday morning, right? Oh, and we're going to do it for a week.
Right, it's going to be a week-long sale.
Yes.
And when we decided we were going to do this because we thought we have some new stuff that we want to put on there, so we want to move out the old and bring in the new, just like spring.
Yes, there you go, there you go. And is that all we needed to say?
I think that's the
okay.
biggest. So anyways, it's going to be starting on Friday.
The 13th.
Whatever time Beth decides to put it on.
Yeah.
Probably it'll go on at midnight. And then it will go to the following Saturday at midnight.
And it's as till they're gone. I mean, some of them we can make more,
right.
Not all of them.
Right.
Not all of them.
So there is, some of them there is limited inventory on some of those, but when they're gone, they're gone.
Right.
We'll let you know.
That's it. But before we go, I do want to, Marty and I want to give a shout out. Our nephew Adam's birthday is Friday the 13th.
It's Friday the 13th. Hey, Adam.
Hey, Adam. So he will be 35.
35 or 36?
I think he's 35, he told me the other day.
I thought 36.
So anyways, he's in that 35 range. So Adam, happy birthday. We'll be seeing you on Sunday for the dirt cake. And in between now and then, everybody, zen.